Hi, I'm Abhishek from Proker.io. Learners have to face strict code requirements. One incorrectly numbered page, one index error, or a missed bookmark can delay case listings. Existing tools are not designed for this. Proker.io is built specifically to meet code standards effortlessly. So once you get access to the product, you can create a new Proker, fill in your details. You can use this toggle switch to change few details about your case. I'll leave this unchecked. Now let's add our file name and party names. In these two simple steps, we have created header for our case, which will be reused for index and forms in our document. Next, we can open our project. This workspace you are seeing is nothing but a different method of creating an index. You can create entries, rename them, move them up and down just like this, and even color code them for your reference. There are many ways to create index entries. Most popular one is to create from templates. Okay, so I'll select a template. You can create your own templates and copy the entries. We have also an option to generate forms such as notice of motion and urgent application. You can create your own forms, adjust them according to your needs, and just generate them. On the right hand side, we can change details in the header of our case at any point of time. We can also change details in the footer. Footers are reusable, which we can reuse in multiple documents. So I'll select one. At any point of time, you change details in header or footer of the case. Any index, volume, or form will inherit these changes in no time. Now I will want to play around a little. I'll move this notice of motion to the top and mark privacy policy and terms of use as annexures. Now you will see they call themselves annexure P1 and annexure P2. Next, on the right hand side in library area, I'll upload few files in a second. Now I've uploaded files in my document. So next step is to drag and drop these files into our index entries. Okay, now I am pretty happy with the structure. You'll see the page numbers are automatically filled in once we have dropped the files. Now next step is to go ahead and find our refresh and generate button. Pressing this button will refresh every index on our page, every form, and we will be introduced by a generate output pop-up. Here we can customize how we will want our document to be. So let's generate. Let's have a look at this file. We see index is properly crafted. It has header and a footer with accurate page numbers. Annexure P1 and annexure P2 appear nicely. On the left hand side, we can see the bookmarks are properly created with accurate page numbers. And if we go deep in this file, we'll see annexure annotations are exactly where they should be. What if we needed to make change? Let's say in our header, we wanted to make Mr. X as Mr. A, B, C and Mr. Y as Mr. XYZ. Okay. And maybe add a new annexure calling itself refund and cancellation policy and mark it as annexure as well. What else we can change? Let's add one more form. Let's call it urgent application. I'm pretty happy with this one. Let's also drop a file for our refund and cancellation policy. Okay, next step is to go ahead and find a refresh and generate button and generate our file once more. Let's have a look at our updated file. See, changes in the header are made everywhere in the document, and annexures are also reordered. With Procore.io, making these changes take less than a minute and the updated file is ready for submission in no time. Procore.io streamlines your legal filing process, saving hours of manual work. Try it today. If you have any question, you can reach out to us. Also, share this video with somebody who we can help.